Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about expanding your income streams without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. That's right, we're delving into exploring 10 profitable side hustles you can conveniently manage from your phone. So if you're ready to discover some exciting opportunities, let's jump right in. 1. Freelance writing. Turning words into wealth. If you've got a knack for words and a passion for writing, freelance writing might be your golden ticket. Imagine crafting engaging articles, blog posts, and social media content for clients around the world, all while working from your smartphone. 2. Virtual assistants, your digital support adventure. Are you a multitasking maven? Virtual assistants could be your calling. From scheduling appointments to managing emails, you can offer essential support to busy professionals without ever stepping outside your door. 3. Graphic design, unleashing your creative potential. Creativity knows no bounds, especially when it comes to graphic design. With a plethora of apps at your fingertips, you can design logos, social media graphics, and other visual treats, all while adding to your income. 4. Online tutoring, sharing knowledge, growing bank accounts. If education is your passion, why not become an online tutor? Reach students worldwide through video calls and help them master various subjects, all while boosting your earnings. 5. Dropshipping, your pocket-sized online store. Have you ever dreamed of running an online store without the inventory headache? Dropshipping allows you to do just that. Manage products, handle orders, and provide customer support right from your smartphone. 6. Stock photography. Capturing moments, creating income. For all you photography enthusiasts out there, selling stock photos is a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Snap stunning shots and upload them to stock photography platforms for buyers to purchase. 7. Language translation. Bridging the language gap, growing your wallet. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services right from your phone. Translate documents, emails, or even become an online language tutor and expand your income horizons. 8. App and website testing. Your opinion matters, and it pays. Calling all tech aficionados. Put your skills to work by testing new apps and websites. Your insights can be incredibly valuable, and you'll earn money while doing what you love. 9. Social media management. Making waves online while making money. Social media mavens, this one's for you. Manage social media accounts for businesses, creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers, all from the convenience of your phone. 10. Affiliate marketing. Sharing products, reaping rewards. Last but certainly not least, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Share products you believe in through your unique affiliate link and earn a commission on every sale generated. Conclusion: there you have it, folks, 10 incredible side hustles that you can seamlessly manage from the palm of your hand. Whether you're a wordsmith, a creative spirit, an educator, or someone simply looking to boost their income, these opportunities are waiting for you. Remember, the digital age has opened up a world of possibilities for earning from the comfort of your own home. So explore these side hustles, find your passion, and start your journey towards financial freedom today. If you found these side ideas inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our exciting content. Share in the comments below which side resonated with you the most, or if you've got some other cool ideas to add. Until next time, keep hustling and keep shining bright.